Hey guys, imagine driving a motorhome that doesn't just look futuristic. It actually feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. A machine designed for people who don't just travel, they travel in style. Today, you're about to see something that feels straight out of the future of RV living. Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the place where we explore the most incredible luxury vehicles and futuristic motorhomes in the world. If you love innovative RVs, luxury travel, and the future of road life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the NextLux Reviews family, because we bring you the most insane motorhomes you've probably never seen before. Today's machine is something special. This is the Drielle Motorhome 2027, a fully electric luxury motorhome designed to redefine how people travel across America, Canada, and the UK. It's not just about getting from one place to another anymore. This motorhome is about living, relaxing, and experiencing the road in a way that feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a traditional RV. Powered by advanced electric motors and supported by solar energy, this motorhome represents the next generation of sustainable luxury travel. The first thing that instantly grabs your attention is the exterior design. This motorhome doesn't look like a typical RV you see on highways. Instead, it feels like something from a futuristic luxury concept show. The body is finished in a stunning deep black color, with elegant gold accents flowing across the sides, giving it a bold and premium personality. The lighting design around the vehicle adds a modern touch, with sleek LED strips running along the roofline and body edges. When the lights turn on at night, the entire motorhome glows with a high-end, futuristic vibe that instantly makes it stand out. Now let's talk about the front design, because this is where the motorhome truly makes a statement. The front look is bold, wide, and incredibly modern. Instead of a traditional grille, the electric design allows for a smooth, aerodynamic front fascia. The headlights are sharp and futuristic, stretching across the front with a signature LED pattern that makes the motorhome instantly recognizable on the road. The windshield is massive, giving the driver an incredible panoramic view of the road ahead, which is especially perfect for long highway drives across places like California, British Columbia, or the scenic routes of Scotland. Moving along the sides of the motorhome, you immediately notice how large and luxurious the structure is. This is not a small RV meant only for weekend trips. This is a full luxury traveling home designed for people who want real comfort on the road. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to enter the cabin, creating a bright and open interior environment. One of the most impressive features on the side is the extendable luxury entrance platform with illuminated stairs. When the motorhome is parked, the stairs deploy smoothly, creating a grand entrance that feels more like walking into a luxury hotel than entering a vehicle at the rear. The design continues the same futuristic theme. The back of the motorhome features sleek LED taillights running across the width of the vehicle, creating a modern signature lighting effect. The rear structure also includes hidden storage compartments, perfect for travelers who carry outdoor gear, bicycles, or camping equipment. Everything about the design feels intentional, premium, and built for long-distance luxury travel. Now, let's talk about the wheels, because they play a huge role in both the appearance and performance of the motorhome. The Drielle Motorhome rides on massive premium alloy wheels, designed specifically for heavy luxury RVs. These wheels not only look stylish, but are engineered to support the weight of the motorhome while maintaining smooth and stable driving. Combined with advanced suspension technology, the ride quality is surprisingly comfortable. Whether you're driving on American highways, Canadian mountain roads, or countryside routes in the UK, the motorhome feels stable and controlled. But the real magic of this motorhome begins when you step inside. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like a modern luxury apartment. The designers have used a beautiful combination of beige and black tones, creating a warm and elegant environment. Soft, white ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, giving the interior a relaxing atmosphere, especially during evening hours. At the front interior section, you'll find the main living area. This space is designed for relaxation and socializing. Large premium leather sofas face a beautifully integrated entertainment wall that includes a large smart television. Imagine parking your motorhome near a lake or forest, sitting back on the sofa, and watching your favorite movie while the outside view stretches through the windows. This living space truly transforms the motorhome into a comfortable home on wheels. Next to the living area is the fully equipped luxury kitchen. Unlike small RV kitchens, this one feels surprisingly spacious and practical. It includes modern countertops, built-in induction cooking surfaces, a compact refrigerator, and intelligent storage compartments. Everything is designed to maximize space while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the road or cooking a full dinner after a long drive, this kitchen makes it easy. Moving further inside, you reach the private washroom area. The bathroom inside the Drielle Motorhome is designed with the same attention to luxury as the rest of the vehicle. It includes a modern shower cabin, stylish sink, mirror lighting, and smart water management systems. The materials used in the washroom feel premium, and the design ensures that even during long road trips, you still have the comfort of a proper bathroom. At the end of the motorhome is the bedroom area. Even though space inside a motorhome is limited, the designers have done an impressive job creating a cozy and comfortable sleeping environment. The bedroom features a large luxury bed with soft lighting, storage cabinets, and a peaceful layout designed for relaxation after long travel days. Large side windows allow natural light to enter during the morning, making the space feel calm and refreshing. Now let's talk about what powers this incredible machine. The Drielle Motorhome 2027 is fully electric, which means it produces zero direct emissions while driving. It uses a powerful electric drivetrain supported by high-capacity battery systems that allow long-distance travel without relying on traditional fuel. But what makes it even more interesting is the solar technology integrated into the roof. Performance is also surprisingly impressive for a vehicle of this size. Electric motors deliver instant torque, meaning the motorhome accelerates smoothly even when carrying heavy weight. Now, the big question many people ask is the price. Since this is a luxury electric motorhome with advanced technology and premium materials, it definitely sits in the high-end category. The estimated price for the Drielle Motorhome 2027 is expected to start somewhere around $850,000, depending on customization options. While that may sound expensive, buyers in the luxury RV market often compare these vehicles to mobile homes or traveling apartments rather than regular campers. For travelers across the United States, Canada, and the UK, a motorhome like this offers something unique. Instead of booking hotels, planning flights, and dealing with travel stress, you simply drive your home wherever you want to go. From the deserts of Nevada to the mountains of Alberta or the coastal roads of England, your entire living space moves with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of travel isn't just about reaching your destination. Sometimes the journey itself becomes the most luxurious place to be. And here at NextLux Reviews, we'll always be there to show you what the future of the road looks like. See you in the next video.